did it impact your life?
Uh,
Did you study the same thing, and you work in the same thing, or was it different?
Maybe be different because my I studied accounting in the
In ANU.
no in my bachelor.
Okay,
Yeah,
good.
and I think in I'm studying NU, it can take some nice environment
Yeah.
while studying because they are very hardworking.
Yeah.
And
Did you date any boys there by any chance?
no.
No.
No, my
Is it?
friends, all of them are
Yeah.
graduated and just I stay alone in Canberra. Yeah.
Yeah. So you were alone all the time.
Yeah, I'm alone. So
Which is
I
surprise,
never
which surprised a lot of teenagers right there. Yeah. Yeah. So I assume this lady here would say that you were alone all the time as well.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You were alone in Manchester all the time. I mean, our man would say he's alone all the time. So okay, yeah. Please pass it to him.
next
Yeah.
one.
Thank you. So you from Melbourne?
Yeah, in Melbourne.
University of Melbourne. Okay. So
To be honest, I'm
yeah.
not alone.
You're not alone.
Yeah, I'm with my girlfriend at Macau University of Science and Technology. We come to Melbourne together.
Like two. like two. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. We mistaken that your ear is very big. Yeah.
So you
Yeah.
might find your love as a whatever the uni, and for me,
Yeah.
the higher ranking university helps you to have an easy access to some big company like the
Yeah.
world famous like the JP Morgan or
JP
something,
Morgan,
or
yeah.
like some
Morgan
financial
Stanley.
investing
Yes.
or stock company.
Yeah.
And
So get into the investment bank.
yeah, and they will not.
Yeah.
It will help you to improve your resume, and maybe the HR in the big company will.
I want to share one thing that gentleman like named it very well is that he said, no, really, seriously, University of Melbourne actually, have you to meet the person of your life, right? It's the
Yeah.
same person all the way. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I was scared. So same lady all the way to now.
Yeah, from Macau to
From Macquarie
Australia
to yeah.
to Uni Melbourne.
University of Melbourne. So you were in Macquarie University and you moved to University of Melbourne. Wow, fantastic. Okay, so fantastic. Thanks for sharing. You have any more to say so far? No?
Yeah, studying
I hold it
abroad.
for you.
Okay, studying abroad is a totally different experience for me.
Yeah.
So studying Australia, I can experience the totally different culture and help me to be.
How does it help you in your life? How does it help you to study in top university in the world? Help you in your life, like genuinely, like date a beautiful boyfriend. What's the deal?
Help me to be independent. I can improve my English speaking or help my learning skills or meet some smart people, hardworking person. And you can, because our university provides us the career hub. You can find some special job offer here, and our school also provide the LinkedIn networking opportunities for the you can meet the alumni here and you can talk with them and you can get some working opportunities.
Yeah. Okay, next question is gonna be funny. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit funny. Yeah, and so next question onward, right?